everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Dotum MV Group new launch project located in Gorai 2, Borivali West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. This is the main road and the neighborhood of our project. And to my left is the actual land parcel of our project where the construction is in full swing. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, Dotum Gorai will be constructed on a land parcel of 0.60 acres having one tower with G plus 23 floors consisting of 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences, and Jodi option is also available. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located at Gorai 2, Borivali West, from where Borivali railway station is only 3 kilometers away and Borivali metro station is only 2 kilometers away. Nalanda University is 700 meters away, Dr. Pillai Global Academy is 500 meters away and Pragati School is 300 meters away. Talking about the amenities, this project has 10 plus basic amenities with one gym, clubhouse, kids play area, banquet hall and many more. Talking about the configuration and carpet area, as told, this project has 1 BHK and 2 BHK residences with 1 BHK carpet area ranging between 400 to 450 square feet and 2 BHK carpet area ranging between 600 to 700 square feet, and also Jodi options are available. Also, for pricing, brochure and other details, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. Talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then, if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 1 lakh for 1 BHK and 2 lakhs for 2 BHK. The token holders will have multiple benefits like exclusive discount offers. EOI clients will be given offers over and above others, and also they will have preference in inventory selection, which means EOI clients will be called first on the day of the launch and they will have an option to choose their own flat. So everyone, this was the teaser of Dotum MV Group new launch project in Gorai 2, Borivali West.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.